Hello my friends and welcome to our YESSTYLE 2024 Advent Calendar unboxing. You likely know the drill by now, but in case you don't, I will have a timestamp in the description box below that you can jump to for full spoilers of everything contained in this year's YESSTYLE Advent Calendar. But we have some important notes on the cost, on the release date, before we get into that unboxing. So let's take a moment to chat about that. This year's Advent Calendar once again contains a mix of K-beauty skincare and makeup valued at over $500. But the cost for this calendar will be $164.90 before discounts. I have talked about how YESSTYLE's discount system works in that video, but real briefly, YESSTYLE offers different coupons on their website or via the app. You can always stack those with a rewards code. My rewards code is RABBITHOLE, and that will get you an additional 2 to 5% off. The release dates depend on your membership level at YESSTYLE. If you are a Gold or Silver Elite Club member, you are a more loyal customer of YESSTYLE, so they are giving you a bit of an earlier date to shop this Advent Calendar. This will be available for you on September 24th at 3 a.m. GMT, and the official launch date will be October 15th at 3 a.m. GMT. And as far as whether or not you should purchase this, either for you or for a friend, I like to let the products do the talking, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this year's Advent Calendar unboxing. Getting into the unboxing here, this is the larger Advent Calendar this year, so it doesn't fit quite perfectly on the screen. You'll just have to forgive me for that one, but we are going to go ahead and get into this, starting with day number 1, which is on the front of YESSTYLE's Advent Calendar, and these do open like little boxes. The very first day here, day number 1, is the Tear Refresh and Glow Duo. This is the cleansing balm, this one in the 1.69 fluid ounce size, and a mini of the Milk Skin Toner, also in the 1.69 fluid ounce size. Oh, I'm feeling good about the rest of this calendar. As I've said in so many of my videos, this is the way to go. Try these smaller sizes before committing to larger sizes. These aren't even really small anyway. These are good sizes, especially given how thick this toner is. A cleansing balm in 1.69 fluid ounce, good size. What a start. Okay, and now, to get into the rest of the calendar. So now we have to find day number 2. Here it is, right here, day 2. And this is Peri Para Ink Glasting Lip Gloss. Oh, it's been the year of lip glosses. Let's see what color we have here. I personally like light colors. Let's see what we get. Oh, yes. I'm sorry, I know it's so basic, but I absolutely love a clear lip gloss. It's real easy to use. I will still wear black lipstick, you know, you've seen me do it, but I like a clear gloss, it's easy. Day number 3 is up here, and oh no, y'all. So what's reflecting up here is I have this big mirror, right? I can now see everything before you can, because these are open on top. So I can't play the game. I can't play it in this particular video, but you can still guess. This one is pretty easy, isn't it? The good old Vita C Dark Spot Care Serum. Let's see if this has some of my allergens in it. I see some essential oils and lemon peel oil. Drat, some of them are in here, so that's why I haven't tried this. I know I've had a lot of people ask me to try more from this brand. In fact, this product in particular is a very popular product, but yeah, that's why I haven't. It's always sad when this happens, but it's the reality of me having certain allergies, you know? Day number 4 right here. This is a true mascara. This is the Extreme Long Lash, Potent Cara. Not a mascara, a Potent Cara. It is an extreme long lash, quick drying, easily washable. I love all of the washable mascaras. I think this is the term that Asian Beauty uses in place of tubing. But it seems to be the same principle. I'll confirm that for you or let you know otherwise. On the side of the screen, you know how it goes. Now, where is day 5? Okay, we're over here for day 5, and this, oh yes, this is Oh, I'm so happy to get this. The Birch Juice Moisturizing Sun Stick from Round Lab. They changed the packaging from when I tried this. I had tried it when it was in a little round stick. Personally, I do like this shape better. It's just a bit faster. And that's a great sun stick. So happy to have that back in my collection. Day 6 is way up here. Oh my goodness. I was absolutely not expecting this product in here. This is the Astura 80 Barrier 365 Cream. So this is a very popular product in Korea. Apparently this brand, Astura, is kind of like the CeraVe of South Korea. It's one of those brands that is recommended by dermatologists. This is a classic product from them, but I don't feel like it's as big on an international level. So really, really exciting to see this in the YESSTYLE calendar. I feel like this is knocking it out of the park. Okay, day number 7. We got a flat day here. What will we have? Sheet masks? Oh no, oh goodness, sorry. I love this brand so much, y'all. Unleashia's Mood Shower Face Palette. This is in number 100 Ballerina Shower. These are soft eyeshadows. I'm telling y'all, this is a K-beauty eyeshadow look right here, but I do like that you have a lot of different options. Day number 8. I do feel like it's taking me a minute to find these on the YESSTYLE calendar, which makes it fun. Might I add, it makes it fun. Oh my goodness, Belief? A Sephora brand? This is the Lightweight Refreshing Eye Cream. Okay, the Moisturizing Eye Balm. I have heard that this is new and improved. New formula here, retains moisture for 48 hours. Wow, I am really excited to try this one. This brand does sometimes use some fragrance ingredients. Yes, this is also a product that has some fragrance. So, you know, maybe it won't be for everybody, but oh, I'm so excited about trying this. We are only 1/3 through the calendar, and I'm already over here going, I cannot wait to get some of these products on my face. Day number 9, this one feels light, and I don't know what this is. It's another Lily by Red. Oh, I love these. Let's see what shade this is. Shade 05. Whoa, don't break it, Alice. Okay, that's a powder. This is like a cool-toned taupey blush and a powder. Oh, I'm very excited to try that. I thought it would be a cream. This brand is kind of known for their creams, but I will gladly try a powder. After all, as we've discussed, powder is what's coming back in style. Is everyone ready for the matte revolution? Oh geez, Charlotte Tilbury is going to come for me for saying that. Am I wrong though? Day 10. Where is day? There it is. Day 10. Are these spoilers? I haven't been paying attention at all. Oh, they might be. They might actually be, because this is the Anua niacinamide 10% and tranexamic acid 4%. I did try this. It didn't work out for me. I think because I don't do too well with these really high levels of niacinamide, but this is a very popular product, so this is one that whoever I pass it on to is going to be very happy with it. And again, most people do well with, I mean, niacinamide is a great ingredient. You just kind of have to find the right level for you, and a lot of people are able to use that ingredient at up to, what, 20%? Day 11. The ColorGram Reforming Contour Stick. This is in shade 02 Cool Tone, it says. Okay. I really like that that's an actual brush on this side. I don't know, I think I thought it was maybe just a sponge, but that's an actual brush. That's a really small, that'll be great for precision, for nose contouring. Day 12, down here we get no spoilers at all for day 12, so let's see what we have. Well, see, now I immediately know that's some by me. Super Miracle Spot All Kill Cream. Okay, so this says it has 2% niacinamide. What else, though? I don't think I've actually tried this. No, I haven't tried this. This one looks like a spot cream. I'm reading the side of the box here. Okay, so tea tree leaf water is the first ingredient. That's another ingredient where we'll have to await the updates in terms of how much tea tree is actually in this product, but I'm certainly willing to try it. I do see some peppermint oil in this. Again, my one gripe with the Some By Me brand. If you're making products to target acne, it just seems to make sense to me to make them less allergenic. Okay, day 13. Oop. Day 13 is very excited to tell you that it is from Halika, the Mood Lasting Brush Liner. Okay, I think we have a liquid eyeliner, shade Rosy Brew. Oh my goodness, what a gorgeous shade. It's kind of a reddish toned brown. Can you see that? I feel like the lighting here is a little funny. Day number 14, right here we got another big one. Hard to pull out. Okay, all right. This is from Be Plain, and it is the Mung Bean pH Balanced Cleansing Foam. Okay, great. I see you, Creed. Mung Bean, huh? I cannot wait to give this a try. I like the bright green fun packaging too. Okay, we will try this. I have a feeling it's going to be a little more intense than the foaming cleanser in the Style Vana Advent Calendar, but to its credit, that means it will last longer. Day 15 down here. This is a little bit of a smaller day, but what is it? VT Cica No Sebum Moisture Powder. See, this is the VT I remember. They actually had a makeup line, this tiger all over all of their products for the Cica. Oh, I'm excited for this. Let's see. Cute little powder. Okay, I need to see if this one has a scent because the one that was in the Style Vana Advent Calendar had a peach scent, and I cannot handle that smell. Oh, great news. No smell. Love the pretty soft purple packaging, too. Okay, fantastic. Day number 16. Let's find it. Do you see it? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Another big day. Another possible spoiler. This is Medicube. See, but I don't know which product yet. Do you? Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. I don't think I've ever seen us actually double up on items in the Advent Calendars, but yes, this was also in the Style Vana Advent Calendar. And now I can tell you that I've tried it. I'm iffy on this product category. I think it's just because I need to sleep as comfortably as possible. I'll sleep on my side. I don't care. Listen, I'm an insomniac, and the worst thing is to get, 2 hours of sleep. That is far worse than sleeping 8 hours on your side. It is. So I just find these all to be a little bit uncomfortable personally. I can do it for a couple hours, but not overnight. I just can't do it. And I do mean with all of that category. The Sungboon Editor, the Biodance, I cannot sleep in those, no way. How do you all feel? What do you feel about those products? Day number 17, down here, another lighter day. And this is, I think I recognize this. Wait. Nope, I was wrong. I was going to guess this was a Clio product, but this is from Etude, the Over Glowy Tint in Bambi Cherry. Well, see, now I'm sad about Bambi again. Can't just say Bambi like that. I get sad. Ooh, this is really cute packaging. It's kind of actually heavy. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Oh no, she's singing again. I'm really sorry. I'm trying not to. Oh, goodness gracious. Have you all noticed that I get really excited about makeup? I find makeup really fun. Let's be real, because I have acne, skincare is a necessity for me. I can still enjoy it, but it's more of a necessity, whereas makeup, I just have fun with it. Day 18, over here. The Mix Soon Bean Essence. Oh, perfect. Perfect for 2024. You can use this product in 2 different ways. You can massage off dead skin by putting the product on your skin and balling it up upon itself. That's not your skin that you see, it's the product balling up on itself, but it does create a physical exfoliant. Or you can leave it on for an incredibly hydrating experience. Might be too much for some people, but I've been surprised because I've been saying that since day one, and this ended up a very popular product. Definitely one of the products of 2024, I would have to say. I'm feeling like YESSTYLE's Advent Calendar is ticking all the boxes of this year's trends. Day 19, a little bit light. What do we have here? See, you gotta have some romand. This is the Liquid Glitter. Shade 08 Minty Way. The packaging of this reminds me a little bit of Half Magic, you know? Do you see what I'm saying there? Not so much the shape of this, but ooh, it's a greenish glitter. Are you kidding me? It does have that small wand, though. I wish that K-Beauty products had wider wands, kind of think the Stila products. but I think I also get it in terms of precision application. Okay, day number 20. What will they think of next? Is this a little bit heavy? Yeah, this feels a little bit heavy. This is Claire's, and it is the Midnight Blue Calming Cream in the pot. I love this product. It's a fantastic calming product. You know me. You know I love anything calming. Has guaiacol, all those peptide ingredients, no added fragrance. Oh, this is a really fantastic assortment of skincare in this calendar. It really is. Day number 21 down here. Brush, palette. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, we're a little crooked again. That's okay. Who said we had to be straight? All right, so we have the Abib Collagen Eye Patch. These are great. This was a recommendation from subscribers. I made sure to try this in my Abib trial, and I'm glad I did. These have that textured sensation to them, so they really stay in place well. And I feel like because they stay in place well, it helps with efficacy, right? Because you've got them where you want them. Day number 22 right here. This is a small day indeed, but I recognize this packaging. Oh my gosh. This is the sister brand of Romand, News, and this is their Care Lipsule. Shade Coolish. This packaging is so fun. Let me show you how it works. All right, so Lipsule. I have not tried their lip product. Is it purple? Is it a purple lip product? What on earth is this? Look at my handle covered in swatches. No, it's not purple. It's, oh, that's a nice color. That's a really nice color. I don't know why I'm swatching things over here where I said the lighting isn't as good. Look to the right side of the screen to see me try these products on. How cute is the packaging though, right? Do y'all see that? Day number 23 right here. Let's see what we have. And I'm buzzing. Oh, so many people have asked me to try this. Okay, this is the Vitamin Concentrated Serum Brightening Antioxidant. I believe this one also had my allergens in it in the past. Does it still? Because they have been reformulating. I feel like this brand has reformulated a ton. Y'all, I can try this. Oh, I am so excited. I can try this one. Have they changed their packaging? Oh, it looks like they have. This is completely different from the last time I bought from this brand. Day number 24. Look, it is Christmas Eve for those of you celebrating the holidays. Okay, what are we in for? A Dasique palette. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the makeup selection in this calendar. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is going to pair so well with the Unleashia that we had earlier because this is going to give you your mattes. The Unleashia gives you your shimmers. Look at how these color schemes go together. I cannot wait for whatever look is on the other side of the screen because I am going to have a blast with these palettes. And my friends, that brings us to the end of this year's YESSTYLE Advent Calendar unboxing. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I am very happy with the makeup included in this Advent Calendar. You know, I'm wearing some of it today. The lip color, stunning. The palette, so much fun. But I'm really shocked because I have to say, the skincare surprised me as well. I did not expect to see some of the brands and products included in this year's Advent Calendar. I think I'm very impressed with it. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you again to YESSTYLE for sending this over for me to share with all of you. I will link an affiliate code to YESSTYLE in the description box below if you would like to help support the channel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all next time.